Okay, tape's rolling.
Good morning. It's May 19th. We're at about 11,500 feet above Chicken Spring Lake. You'll see here in a minute. Wanted to talk to you about this area and navigating through it. When we came in here yesterday, we simply directly cut across the meadow right below Cottonwood Pass. Came straight up the outflow of Chicken Spring Lake. Camped right down here at the outflow. Chicken Spring Lake is completely frozen this year. And it was very easy to simply use your ice axe and chop through the surface crust to get to the water underneath. Even if you ran your ice axe all the way into the snowpack, because it's not really an ice crust. I mean, it's not really an ice film, and then you get open water, so you're not going to fall through. But I think Matt ran his ice axe all the way into the pack and still didn't get open water. But if you chop a little hole in the snow where the ice or the snowpack is bluish instead of white, water will refill and you can pump out of that. When you navigate out of here in the morning as you leave Chicken Spring, depending upon how much snow is in here, you may or may not have cornices along this, a 250-foot climb up onto the ridge before you traverse over to Siberian Pass Ridge and the park boundary. So what I suggest you guys do is to, instead of following the switchbacks, which come down to a point almost over here and then go back to that big rock over there, just go straight up from the outflow of Chicken Spring Lake up onto the ridge. Follow the ridge to where we are, and we're going to actually probably go a little bit higher before we start our traverse. Beware of the edge of this, and Matt will take the camera and pan on over to show you what I'm talking about. But there are cornices here, at least this year, and there may be next year. Now, as you see ahead, we got some pretty good cornices up there. So best advice is to simply walk this ridge, but stay back about 10 feet, and there's nothing to worry about. And then if Matt continues to pan on around, you can see what your view is to the west, and then back down toward Alancha as Matt goes on around.